back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to open a crypto.com account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your app store or your play store and simply search for the option called crypto.com. Simply now download that app, and once it is downloaded, all you gotta do is simply tap it open and tap on create new account. Once you have tapped on create new account, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you gotta do is simply type in your email address. Once you have typed in your email address, hit the create new account option, and once you are done with this, you will now need to tap on create new account again. After you have done this, you will now need to type in your mobile phone number as well after you have received an email from your crypto.com app account for registering. Now simply type in your mobile number, which should be US based or the countries that are available, and you will get a verification code in that particular number. Simply type it in and then verify your identity by submitting some documents like license and verification proof. After the documents are processed, you can simply be redirected to this kind of interface. So once you are here, all you gotta do now is simply wait for your documents to be verified by the crypto.com team. Once they are verified, you will be getting an email notification and you are all set with an account open in crypto.com. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.